Hello guys! Welcome to my videos. Today's video guys is nagluluto po ako ng katsudon. Karne ng baboy yun na prinito na nilagyan ng breadcrumbs tsaka itlog. Pero bumili na ako ng naluto. Tapos yung daon na yan is they call it mitsuba here in Japan for toppings. Masarap siya at madali lang siyang lutuin. So ayan, naluto na. It's easy as that. It was a Japanese food, so yan po yung kakainin namin for dinner. Serving for 2. So ayan guys, ready to eat na, nakakagutom naman. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!